What's spicy, zesty, and super good for you? Hint, it's not your ex. Ginger isn't just for your sushi or holiday cookies. This little root packs a punch with benefits you won't believe. First up, ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory. Got sore muscles? A bit of ginger can help soothe the pain. Next, it's a digestion hero. Feeling bloated? Ginger can ease that discomfort faster than you can say gingerbread. And let's not forget its immune-boosting powers. A little ginger tea can keep those pesky colds at bay. Oh, and did you know it can even help with nausea? Morning sickness, motion sickness, you name it, ginger to the rescue. So, why not spice up your life? Add a dash of ginger to your meals, smoothies or teas, and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.